Belgium is a country located in Western Europe, bordered by the Netherlands to the north, Germany to the east, Luxembourg to the southeast, France to the southwest, and the North Sea to the northwest. The history of Belgium dates back to the Roman era, when it was known as Gallia Belgica, a province of the Roman Empire. During the Middle Ages, the region that is now Belgium was ruled by various feudal lords and was often subject to invasion and conquest. In the 15th and 16th centuries, the region was part of the Burgundian and Habsburg empires, and then became part of the Spanish Netherlands in the 16th and 17th centuries. In the late 18th century, the people of the region revolted against Austrian rule and established the short-lived United States of Belgium in 1790. However, this state was quickly crushed by the Austrian army and the region remained under foreign rule until the Napoleonic Wars. During the Napoleonic Wars, Belgium was conquered by France and was incorporated into the French Empire. After the defeat of Napoleon, Belgium became part of the United Kingdom of the Netherlands in 1815, which was established by the Congress of Vienna. However, tensions between the Dutch-speaking Flemish population and the French-speaking Walloon population led to a series of rebellions and uprisings in the mid-19th century. In 1830, the people of Brussels rose up against Dutch rule and declared independence, which was recognized by the major European powers in 1831. Belgium became a constitutional monarchy with a parliamentary system of government, and Leopold I of Saxe-Coburg and Gotha became the first king of the Belgians. Over the course of the 19th and early 20th centuries, Belgium became an industrial and colonial power, with a large empire in Africa. Belgium was occupied by Germany during both World War I and World War II, and suffered heavy losses during both conflicts. After World War II, Belgium became one of the founding members of the European Union and has since been an important player in European politics and economics. In recent years, Belgium has faced challenges related to tensions between the Flemish and Walloon populations, as well as issues related to immigration and terrorism. However, the country remains a vibrant and diverse democracy with a rich cultural heritage and a strong economy.